person IA 3, my
IA for?
My lord, there is an interim protection regarding my PSO matter, and the interim order is still operating. Last evening, my lord, is served us a letter withdrawing the PSO.
Interim order is there.
Yes, sir. Hey, my
Who are you?
and I'm a businessman, sir.
Why do you need a PSO?
My lord,
Status.
Lord, there is that perception.
You have to show the threat perception.
Yes, my lord. In fact, my lord, on earlier round, my lord, I approached before your lordship, and lordship sent back the matter to the SSRC committee to review this matter.
You have to prima facie show the threat perception. Otherwise,
yes,
PSO is not for asking.
yes, there is a threat perception.
Okay.
Deeply
But today, what time?
Before lordship, I think my
Court is rising early.
at 3, my lord, at 2, my lord, possible.
3, this is 3. Okay. So if the matters are over, it will be difficult.
My lord, will try our time. Deeply obliged.
Before the court rises, you try to bring it. But if it rises in the first half, we will to bring it in the first half. Yes.
Yes, my lord. I have filed a writ petition, my lord, on 7/7/2025. Now today is 16/7, my lord. In the subject of the case, my lord, non-available warrant has been issued against me.
Okay, we'll have it on when? Today is Wednesday.
With this Friday, my lord.
Friday, possible.
Because the next date is, my lord, 23.
Okay, Friday we'll try.
Obliged.
Why is it not listed? Is it defective?
Actually, my lord, some defect was there.
Then
my lord, we
don't blame the registry.
Then, my
When
lord,
did you rectify the defects?
Yesterday we have rectified, my lord.
Yesterday.
My lord. Kindly, my lord.
Okay.
Obliged.
Your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I'd like to mention item number 29.
29.
29.
Yes.
Your lordship, I've submitted the adjournment speech yesterday, your lordship.
29 is of which year, madam?
2015, your lordship.
14.
What?
Why adjournment?
Your lordship, the arguing counsel is out.
14 matters are not for adjournment, madam. Who's the arguing counsel?
Miss Anupadhyay. Miss Anupadhyay.
Miss Anupadhyay. Item number 29. Name is not there. Okay.
Respondent number 6.
Oh, for the respondent. Okay, we can grant you some accommodation, but not adjournment. We'll fix this on Monday.
Your lordship, the arguing counsel is coming back on 20.
No, we cannot. 14 matter after 10 years. Writ petition, not heard of adjournment. You make alternative arrangements. 1 day, 2 days we can accommodate. 14 matters, no. A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of the respondent number?
Respondent number 6, your lordship.
Respondent number 6. Full stop.
Yes,
This writ petition is, however, of the year. This writ petition is, however, pending since the year 2014. Considering the above, a short accommodation is granted directing listing of this matter for hearing on. When is she coming back?
28.
28
of July.
Sorry.
Your lordship, actually, this respondent number 6, your lordship, is affiliated with the BCCI.
We are not concerned with the merits, madam. You come prepared, we'll hear you.
Your lordship,
On 21st.
Madras High Court matter which has been stated, your lordship, in this.
We'll see what is there. We have not opened the brief. Come prepared on 21st.
Please, lordship. But therefore, listing a contempt petition in order, collector.
Why?
Lordship, thing is that on.
What is the urgency in a contempt matter?
Lordship, we have not received any penny, Lord.
For what?
For contextual due, Lord.
Sorry. Contempt matter, not no urgency. Yes, next.
I filed an additional affidavit.
Bring it.
Number 28.
Bring it.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13.
30.
13.
13. Yes.
Lordship, the learned senior counsel, Mr. K.N. Chaudhary, is having some difficulty, Lordship. I'm praying for some accommodation.
IA for what? Impleadment?
Yes.
Why don't you move this? We'll implead it. Coming for the first time.
Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation.
Impleadment application, we are going to allow this. Why do you adjourn it? Be there when the case is reached. 25 matter impleadment application coming for the first time. Why are you adjourning? You be there. Yes, next.
Pertaining to election.
Fresh matter.
It was last on 28 May.
Pertaining to what?
Election.
Election means? What election?
Con-
What is the cause of action? If you come to mention, come slightly prepared with the facts. Mentioning is not for granted. Come prepared with the facts tomorrow. We'll examine. Yes, madam.
May I please notate my victim listing for a WPC matter. It was last listed on 5/5/25. As per last court order, the matter was directed to be listed again after 4 weeks, but instead not listed.
What is the matter about?
Non-consideration of mutation.
Non
Non-consideration of mutation.
of mutation. Okay, next Wednesday.
This matter was supposed to argue by my senior.
Which matter?
So item number 19, Sahanur, Saha versus
Item number 19.
9.
Item number 9.
Yes, Your Honor. Sahanur Khan versus the state of Assam.
Okay, yes.
Yes. But, Your Honor, my senior, unfortunately, he suffered heart attack.
Okay,
undergone
okay, no
by-
problem. A motion matter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will adjourn it, don't worry. Yes, item number 9.
Yes, sir.
Sahanur Ahmed.
Yes.
Okay. A prayer for adjournment has been made on medical grounds. Para. List after 4 weeks?
Okay.
4 weeks.
Hello.
CGC. Anybody CGC? CGC, anybody? Madam, please have you informed the CGC? You should inform. Medical grounds, okay, we are granting, but we don't grant adjournments on without informing. You be here when the matter is taken up. Oh. You have to inform first, then you make a mention. Yes, madam?
Hello, but it is the lordship, item number 19, not 19.
Yes.
In this matter, I'm for the petition for 2 weeks time will be granted the filer affidavit.
Reply affidavit not filed. When was the affidavit in opposition filed?
It's May 2025.
Okay, we'll grant some time. Yes, you're there.
Yeah,
Okay, let them file rejoinder affidavit on a request made on behalf of the petitioner. Matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of rejoinder affidavit.
This interim
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. Yes,
I have another prayer, lordship, with regard to item number 34, lordship.
3-4.
Yes, lordship.
Yes, what is it?
Here is the same prayer, lordship. Filer affidavit. That's the
21 matter, madam.
Yes,
When was the rejoinder affidavit in opposition filed?
it was September 24.
What, September 23?
24.
But September to July 25? It's a long time.
The
Okay.
last opportunity for 2 weeks, but we'll fight.
On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, the matter is adjourned by 2 weeks as a last opportunity to file rejoinder affidavit. 34. Okay.
Interim order.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. Yes.
Lordship, this matter has become impact. Missing guard and on has been provided.
At the motion stage, this has become infructuous. Why?
Just,
Guard has been found.
yes, Lord.
But they were in Guwahati last opportunity, last occasion, I think you had submitted
Yes.
telephonic instruction, you have
Yes.
found that, okay. Heard Sri Abjad Mazumdar Learned Counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri Endas Learned State Council, para. The grievance was with regard to the aspect of, regard to the status of a missing report lodged at the Howley Police Station on 15/3/2025 regarding the missing of the daughter as well as grandson of the petitioner. Para. The learned counsel for the petitioner has, however, submitted that the missing persons have been recovered in the meantime, and therefore he would not like to press the writ petition. Para. The aforesaid prayer is not objected to by Sri Das, the learned state counsel para. The writ petition is accordingly dismissed as infractors. As not pressed, infractors no. Yes, next.
Your lordship.
Oh, yes, CCC. Madam, this item 9, there's some health issue.
I'm on behalf of respondent number
Who is for?
S on behalf of S. Right?
Okay, we are adjourning the matter.
May I please, your lordship.
Yes,
Not on the last occasion, your lordship, my learned colleague has mentioned that there are some multiple writ petitions are pending in this matter. I tried to verify it. The lordship will kindly note this following facts. Your lordship, there was a first writ petition was filed, that is 3329 of 2021, in which a direction was being passed by this honorable court that as far as my land is concerned, the encroachments which has been going on in my land, let the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council authorities will act upon on my representation, and it was disposed of at the motion stage. Now, that application is that till now the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has not carried out any step as far as that order. Now, subsequently, WPC 357 of 2023 was being filed by one of the claimant, a person called Ampui, claiming that that particular tea garden, her husband has also got some shares. Against that, there was another writ petition filed by me, that is the present petitioner, WPC 661 of 2023. Both were disposed of by order dated 21 August 2023. My colleague is there, he will give the compilation.
yes.
Compilation is there, he will give the compilation. The lordship will kindly see the order of 21 August 2023.
Now, what is the cause of action in this petition?
My lord, the cause of action is that the land which the tea garden which I am the proprietor, in that tea garden, the encroachment is going on rampant. Accordingly, I approached the
Your lordship order, my lord, earlier that same issues, my lord, that came up before lordship issued notice in that, and our contention also recorded in that order, my lord.
Will, this is pending,
Pending, my lord.
1479.
1479, my lord.
What is 1479,
1479.
Mr. Borgohain?
My lord,
Petition has not
1479.
stated anything in the repetition about the filing of this petition, my lord.
Your lordship, as far as 1479 is concerned,
Yes.
is just, my lord, I have got the order.
Yes.
1479.
We take this with
Your lordship will
1479?
My lord, my lord.
We take this
My
with
lord, my lord.
1479?
Exactly, your lordship. The issue is what happening is that, my lord,
Okay. Heard Sri S.
the
Borgohain,
My
learned
lord.
counsel
Order.
for the petitioner who has appeared online. Also heard Sri J. Chutia, learned standing counsel, KAAC, full stop, para. On the last occasion, when the matter was listed on 26/6/2025, comma, the learned standing counsel had submitted that full disclosures, including pending cases on the same subject, were not made in the petition. Full stop. Today, Sri Chutia, the learned standing counsel, has placed before this court copy of an order dated 14/3/2024 passed in WPC 1479 of 2024 instituted by the same petitioner, in which notice has been issued. Para, in the fitness of things, let this matter be listed along with the records of 1479 of 2024 after a week.
My lord, your lordship can may bear with me for a moment. Lordship, let the KAC be directed, because there is an order passed by Honorable Justice Borua in the same matter by Justice Surana, that the respondent have not
We'll have it
acted on
next
the
week.
order.
We'll consider your prayer next week. Let it come with the records of
My
the
lord,
other
date
case.
may be fixed. My lord, a date
Yes,
may be fixed.
when,
Can it
tell us
22nd, my
next Wednesday.
22nd, my lord? 22nd, my lord?
23rd.
23rd. Obliged, my lord.
23rd. Please come
Obliged.
23rd.
Obliged.
23rd.
Obliged. Yes, my lord. Obliged. I will make, personally, I will appear.
Yes, next.
I didn't read.
Yes, my lord. My friend from other side, they have asked to obtain his help.
Hmm.
And there was a recent eviction drive in Python Reserve Forest, where this honorable court declined its intent, and
Hmm.
that eviction is completed. Otherwise, there are two more reserve forests where eviction, and my lord, forest is strictly following the, it's not going beyond a forest boundary and not encroaching on any revenue land. And that's my concern. Because here in the writ petition,
What is your apprehension, Mr.
well,
Sikdar?
the forest department people they have come to our site and they have.
No, no. What is your grievance? Is your land forest land or
Yes,
revenue
my
land?
lord, it is not forest land.
Where have
It's
you
government
stated?
land, no? My lord,
Where have you stated?
we are possessing the land since long back, and there
No,
is
we
a
are not on
decree.
the possessing part. What is the status of the land?
My lord, land is, my lord, it's we are claiming possessory right,
What is
and
the,
there is a decree of the civil court.
what is the status of the land? What kind of land is it?
It is, my lord, past land, government.
Government khas land is one matter. Is it a forest land?
No,
Is
my
it-
not a forest land.
Where have you stated?
My My lord, in paragraph 12, my lord, we have stated
Paragraph 12.
12, my lord, the land is not
Page,
included in the
page
page 18, my lord.
18.
There is some communication in para 9 of
Will issue notice then?
notice that
Will issue notice. Heard 3A.R. Sikdar, learned counsel for the petitioners who have approached this court with an apprehension of eviction from the plot of land under their possession. Full stop. It is contended that since a long period of time, the petitioners are possessing the land in question, which no doubt is khas land. Para? When this matter was taken up for consideration on the earlier occasion, that is 26/6/2025, Sri I. Bothakur, learned counsel appearing for the Forest Department, was directed to obtain instructions. Full stop. He has submitted that though eviction process is has been undertaken for forest land, comma, the said process is confined only to forest land. Para? Be that as it may, comma, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. 3. And thus, learned State Council for 147 revenue, G. Hazarika 2, Bothakur 3, 5, 6,
Yes.
3, 5, 6. Extra copies by within 2 working days. Para. Sri Sikdar prays for an interim order. Full stop. While this court prays for an interim order, which has been considered. Full stop. It is made clear that this court, and after consideration, this court directs that the eviction process, which has been said to be undertaken by the Forest Department, has to be confined only to the forest land, and for any other lands, comma, the due process of law has to be followed.
develop. Their contention is that they have, at the court of protest, right? They pursue open the decree, my but 4 to 47, my lord, the petitioner failed to show any.
No, we'll see that.
It is government land or
Government, then you can issue notice under 18.
Yes.
Yes, next. For Mr. Kolda?
My
You
lord,
can ask.
I need some more time. Little more time. Gotten communication. Praying for
Mr.
some.
Das, where is the land? Where is the site?
My lord, I gotten communication.
No, no, Mr. Das, where is the site? This acquisition, which place?
It's in Pamohi.
Pamohi. Get the instructions.
My lord.
When? Monday?
2 weeks.
Then we'll issue notice. We issue notice then. Hearts to be
Interim may be considered for at least for
interim for what? Hearts to be as learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by so and so. First paragraph to likhi on the last occasion, that is 27/6/2025, when this matter was taken up for consideration, Sri Andas, the learned state council, was directed to obtain instructions. Full stop. Sri Das has, however, prayed for some more time. Paras. Be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable on. We give a date after 2 weeks because he has some urgency. Today is 16th. We'll have it on 31st. 30th, Wednesday. On 37th. Mr. Das, your cause title should not be 12 pages, not required. Why is it 12 pages?
Okay.
Petition is of how many pages? Petition of 22 pages. And out of that, 1 page is affidavit, 12 pages are cause title. Where are the pleadings? Cause title hardly 2 pages or maximum 3 page. Why? Revenue. G. Hazarika 1. And thus 2, 3, and 4 PWD. B. Chaudhary, PWD. Extra copies. Get instructions.
My lord.
30th.
Already we have served.
Yes. Get the instructions.
Well-
If it can be
I'll get it.
within 10 meters, which he is contending. Okay. Mr. Sharma, what is this?
In this case, Lordship, the petitioners are the legal heir of Papul Gogoi who own and possess a plot of land 1 bigha 2 kota, Lordship. And that land was, Lordship, subsequently by order dated 13/2/2025. It has been in the Jamabandi that there was a partition that has been order has been passed by the circle officer, but there was no issue. There was no notice has been issued to the petitioner, and accordingly they have filed a representation. And that representation now
But is remedy lies in the writ court or by filing a representation? You are aggrieved by mutation. You challenge it.
Not by mutation, Lordship.
Then
This is I have only aggrieved by the order passed by the circle officer without serving at the
that is it.
intimation of
After the said order, the names have been mutated.
Yeah.
So where do you challenge? By representation.
Only my humble submission before this honorable court is that my representation that might be directed.
No,
to
is
the
a
court.
representation, can anything be done in a representation?
Only, Lordship, that
Mr. Sharma, suppose we agree with you.
yes, sir.
We direct consideration of the representation. Can in a representation your remedy, it can be your grievances can be redressed?
Lordship, that can be corrected by the
How? By representation.
your representation is page number 20.
How in a representation? What capacity? There has to be a proceeding. Notice has to be issued to the other party.
Lordship,
You're not in the right direction.
we are
See, rightly or wrongly, some right has accrued to the other side. You say that that right has gone without giving notice to you. At least notice has to be done, has to be given. So you need to challenge that.
Lordship, there is
How
no
do you
pri-
challenge by filing a representation?
There is no private party. That's all. Lordship.
So on partition on the strength of what? Whose application?
no application was filed. That's why, Lordship.
How is it possible? Yes, Mr. Sharma.
But from the Jamabandi copy, Lordship, it's on a partition case, Lordship. It is
It has to be a partition case.
Yes, but Lordship, during the second,
Mr. Sharma, even if you allow the petition, what relief will you get?
only Lordship, at that stage, Lordship, that representation that might be.
It's not for
Because-
asking. It's not for asking. It's not a post office that you come for disposal representation. It's not from this court.
Because Lordship,
If you are not getting any effective relief, why should you adjudicate it? Where are the private parties?
there was no private party in the request.
In a partition case, who instituted the partition case?
Lordship, that's why, Lordship, that's query.
Where is your due diligence? Where is your search? Make a due diligence search. Who instituted the partition case? Make them parties. Then also matter would be
I may
different.
be given some time, Lordship, then,
Heard Shri D. Sharma, Learned Counsel, for the petitioners who are aggrieved by an order dated 13/2/2025 in case number so and so, pura likhi dibo, huh? Whereby a new patta has been created and the land in question appears to have been partitioned. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is that the representation dated 17/3/2025 for correction of land records have not been considered. Para. This court is, however, of the opinion that the cause of action sought to be espoused may not be able to be redressed by filing a representation. Para, be that as it may, Sri Sharma, the Learned Counsel, prays for some time to obtain instructions. Para, list. When? Wednesday next?
next week,
Next Wednesday.
highly object.
Sri H. Sharma, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, is present for the official respondents. Yes.
6, item 6.
Yes, Mr. Raman.
May I please, Lord? In this case, my lord, the husband of the widow has died, my lord, in a technical drowning, my lord, in public place, my lord. As per the notification, 14/11/2015, my lord, 14, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship, inquiry is to be conducted, whether it's a.
We'll issue notice at this spot. Heard Sri W. Rahman, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner, who by means of this petition is making a claim for ex-gratia on the death of the husband of the petitioner, which has been claimed as accidental drowning in a public place. The petitioner relies upon a notification dated 15/11/2014. Para. Let notice be issued. Dated, returnable by 4 weeks. Revenue, this is one, PR Mohanta. Finance, anyone finance? Mr. Chaudhary? Finance, B. Chaudhary, finance. 345 H. Sharma. Extra copies within 2 working days. Yes, madam.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, the grievance of the petitioner is that the petitioner's school is a recognized venture school. Your lordship, but somehow the venture school has not been enlisted in the office memorandum, the annex of the office memorandum.
Why is it a bench 5 matter?
Second.
You are seeking provincialization, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Why bench 5? Should be bench 2, I think.
Two, bench.
Hmm?
Should
You-
be listed before bench.
No, we don't mind taking the matter, but since bench,
Similar matter has already been taken in court 7, your lordship.
you are entitled, you seek that, you claim that you are entitled to some benefits under that scheme.
Yes, Your Lordship, similarly situated schools have already been enlisted as the beneficiary. However, this school has not been.
Okay, we'll issue notice at this stage.
Your Lordship, may I submit? Similar matters had come up in court 7, and those matters have been disposed of with a direction to submit representation, Your Lordship, to the case.
Already representation has been given, Your Lordship, in the petition itself. But
Seven is taking a bench 2 matters.
yes, Your Lordship,
Let it go before, okay.
before your appropriate bench.
Miss M.K. Brown, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Miss P. Das, learned standing on secondary education, submits that the subject matter involved pertains to bench 2, civil bench 2, para. Registry to verify and list before the appropriate bench.
Okay, I'm deeply open.
I have informed ASBI department,
Item number
9.
8,
Got it.
you're in 8. 9 we have already passed orders. Somebody had come representing the central government. You do not worry, madam. It has been done. Yes,
It is the Lordship.
yes,
Matter pertains to cancellation of GST registration, Lordship.
yes.
Outside by a lot.
Let us see which order we are relying upon. This court's order. You make the corrections. Disposed of matter. The original order was a very long order.
Lord.
We had slightly modified, but this is also pretty long. Can you make the corrections here? Please make the corrections, both of you. N. Nirola,
Yes, Lordship.
N or what?
M, Lordship.
M, and
KJ.
K. Jain, on behalf of SC Cal. Make the corrections here, both of you,
Lordship.
and submit it together.
Yes. Okay.
Disposed of. Item 10. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Yeah, is an application under section 115 of the CPC and 226 to 27. Except that this case is right. The husband and wife, the original, the appeal is pending before the district autonomous council
Appeal regarding?
regarding the divorce. Appeal is pending in the district autonomous council. The district autonomous council, without passing any order, no order has been passed. We have been mentioned in the at page 30, paragraph 9. The petitioner stated that the Linear District Autonomous Council for North Kasar Hills, Dima Hasao, did not accept application appellant nor supply certified copy of orders, etc., as well as not allowed to look after the case record by the appellant or his counsel, as that appellant has no trust upon the state lineage. It may also mention herein that the state court under law cannot give just and proper decision. More so, lineage judge Aflong categorically stated to the petitioner that this court is under autonomous council, as such this court has ample power to do anything, and also advised appellant.
You want disposal of the appeal?
We want to disposal of the, no order has been passed. We have filed application for certified copy, they have not given it. We have filed application.
Both the parties are tribal,
Tribal.
belonging to the NC Hills district.
Yes, that's it. There's
And the district council court will have the jurisdiction.
jurisdiction. But under Article 227, your lordship has been the power, 60 will, under 60 will also. And the rule of the 34, 47 and 45 of the rules regarding my lord, autonomous district council rules, your lordship has been power. But they have not give any, not receive any application by of the petition. not give the certified copy, not pass any order. In the meantime, the husband has been remarried. We have been mentioned in here. Your my lord.
Who is appearing for NCHAC? RM
Yes.
Das.
Yes. And I have accepted that.
RM Das. Name appears in the cause list.
Received it. They also are.
We received the notice by the.
Madam, the council is NCHAC, not Dimahasa. The name of the district is Dimahasa. Whom have you served? Where is Mr. Das? Please, we'll have this on Friday in the presence of Mr. Das, RM Das. Please inform him, okay? Sri B.N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. However, the learned standing counsel of the NCHAC is not present. Full stop. It, however, appears that the description of the council CIL has not been properly given in the petition. Para, be that as it may, list this case for motion on Friday by reflecting the name of Sri R.M. Das, standing counsel. You're it, R.M. Das. Please inform your senior. Friday, this matter will be taken up pertaining to NCHAC. Okay? Reflecting the name of Sri R.M. Das, standing counsel, NCHAC.
I shall not be available on tomorrow night of Friday.
Friday, then Monday?
Yes.
Monday is okay for you? Okay. Madam, Monday, not Friday. And the council name you have not written correctly.
Why?
That is not
Already-
Dimahasa Council. It is NCHAC. District has changed, not the council. Yes, next.
Item 30, appeal is
It is not. By the petition, we have challenged 3 orders of lordship. Order passed by the Assam Board of Revenue, 18/3/2025, by which Board of Revenue has
No copy of the
On?
only government.
No, she is agreed by a board decision letter. Not make much of a difference. Yes, you are agreed by Assam board's
Board of Revenue.
decision. What is the date of the order? Which date?
18/3/2025.
18/3/25.
Yes.
What has happened? What?
Okay. So go to the order.
Please do.
Text of-
Please do.
The land in question is the joint patta land lordship of late Sukur Ali, Ramzan Ali, and Muhammad Ali. Sukur Ali is the father of respondent number 4 to 7. And
You were one of the joint pattadas.
yes, sir.
Okay, joint pattada. And then what happened?
Petitioners are the legal heirs of pattada number 2 and 3 lordship. Ramzan Ali and Muhammad Ali lordship.
Yes.
They have been possessing the land till their death, and after their death, their legal heirs, the petitioners and the respondent number 4 to 7 has been possessing the land lordship.
Okay, then
After death of Sukur Ali lordship in the year 2015, the legal heir of respondent number 4 to 7, respondent number 4 to 7 has filed an application before the assistant settlement officer of Bari lordship, and assistant settlement to mutate their name in place of Sukur Ali lordship. And correction of the land records by deleting the names of pattada number 2 and 3, Ramzan Ali and Muhammad Ali. And
Ramzan Ali and Muhammad Ali are your predecessors.
yes, of petition.
Petitioners, they are their names are sought to be removed by the application.
Yes.
Okay, then what happened?
And after that, the assistant settlement officer has issued notice to the pattada number 2 and 3. So pattada number 2 died in the year 1997. He was the dead person was made party in that application, and the notices were not served to the not to the legal heirs of the pattada number 2, neither to the legal heirs of the pattada number 2 nor to pattada number 3 lordship. And
Pattada number 3 is alive, was alive at
yes,
it.
yes, he was alive at that time. Now he's there.
You said the notice was not served.
No,
Thereafter,
Lordship, and Assistant Settlement Officer directed the concerned Latmondol to submit his report, Lordship. At that time, the concerned Latmondol was Shamsher Ali, but one Mr. Faizuddin, who is the father-in-law of respondent number 6, has submitted the report, and in his report he stated
now
that
this matter, these points were taken up by you in the ABR or not?
yes, Lord.
Then what is the answer?
They said that the revenue board, I mean, read the
Your appeal has been rejected.
yes, we have rejected.
Okay, we'll issue, we'll admit this. Third, Miss M. Dutta, Learned Counsel, for the petitioners who are aggrieved by the order dated. What is the date of the order, madam?
18/3/2025, Lordship. We have challenged 3 orders.
18/3/2025, passed by the Learned Assam Board of Revenue in appeal number 9 RA. देख लीजिए, हाँ, so and so. In the synopsis, you have not given the date of the order. Madam? The most important thing you have not given in the synopsis, date of the order. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioners that the order which was the subject matter of challenge before the Assam Board of Revenue was obtained by fraud and without serving proper notice, and those aspects have been overlooked by the learned board. Tara? Issue rules returnable by 6 weeks. Settlement officer Dhubri. Yes, we'll take settlement officer Dhubri, you'll take. Assam Board of Revenue, I think notice will have to go. 3 NDAS, Learned State Council, so for 1, 2. 1 and 2. Extra copies. Not 1 and 2, sorry, 2 and 3. Extra. Board of Revenue, you're not taking. No, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Steps for service of notice upon respondent was 1, but 4 to sub like this, 4 to 8, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Be taken by registered post with AD. Steps within 2 working days. Okay.
The stay
Stay of what?
of the order.
Rejection order. What do you, how can I stay a rejection order?
We are disturbing the
How can I stay a rejection order? You have to file for injunction. Yes. You file application separately. You cannot pray for stay of a order of rejection. Yes, next.
public.
Item 31.
For inadequate clergy as the remedy is section 64.
You then withdraw this.
Lordship, if Lordship give the direction that I've made an application to respondent number 2, and that will be disposed of as per law. If I would pray.
But 64, there is a time limit.
64, 30
How do you
days-
overcome the limitation?
30 days is there, Lord.
A long time. 30 days is over, long before.
Yes, but who will make a condonation of delay application?
Is it permissible?
No.
In land acquisition, it's not permissible.
I don't know if the order has been taken under objection or not. It have to be good. If not under objection, matter reference will.
No, we have not taken the award. But if they had
Yes, my
asked,
lord, they have not taken. After taking, my it will come 64.
because they had advised us to take under protest, but they have not received it. Otherwise,
Where is 64? Let us see. It's someone. Fair compensation, 60, 2013. Yes,
6/6/42.
from the date of the award. No, what is what are the expressions used? Entered in applications expired of the same period, the period of 1 year. There is sufficient response for the.
Date of the collector's.
Okay, we'll make an observation. Let him, okay. Heard Sri BP Bora Learned Counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri N. Das Learned State Counsel. Full stop. Miss G. Hazarika, Learned Standing Counsel, appears for the Revenue Department. Para. When this matter was taken up for consideration on the last occasion, i.e., that is 14/7/2025, this court had observed that the grievance expressed in this petition can be addressed if an application addressed by resorting to section 64 of the so and so Act 2013. Para. Accordingly, the learned counsel for the petitioner had taken time to obtain instructions. Para. Sri Bora, the learned counsel, has submitted that he has advised the clients to prefer to file an application under section 64 of the said Act. Full stop. He has, however, contended that the aspect of limitation may come in, and therefore appropriate observations be made in this order. Para. The aforesaid submission has not been seriously objected to by the. Seriously, you're not seriously objecting. You're objecting.
Hello.
Objecting. Sri Das, the Learned State Council, has, however, submitted that if such application is indeed filed, the same has to be taken up strictly in accordance with law. Okay? Para. Considering the above, the writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty to the petitioner to approach the appropriate forum under the provisions of law mentioned above. Full stop. In case such an application is filed, at this stage, Sri Bora has informed, the Learned Council has informed that the award is yet to be received by the petitioners. Para. In view of the above, it is observed that in the event such an application is filed, the same would be considered on its merits without going into the aspect of limitation.
But if 77 is there, it says that further that no person who has received the amount otherwise than on protest shall be entitled. Therefore,
No, there is a proviso to 64 also. Till 1 year it can be extended.
yes, DPO.
Disposed of. Dismiss close list. Yeah? We'll closing it. Not
Close.
dismiss.
Deeply.
Item 32.
May I please the Lord?
Elephant.
Elephant.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I've gone to the judgment relied by them. Your Lordship, I would like, I have a different judgment.
No, that judgment was pertaining to a tortious liability which has been sought to be invoked in a writ petition. So
Yes, Your Lord.
the mandate was that you should approach the civil court.
Yes, Your Lord.
Now here,
That-
what
In
is
that,
it?
in that context, Your Lordship, this is a judgment pronounced by Honorable Madras High Court. In this judgment, Your Lord, several judgment passed by Honorable Apex Court is referred. Your Lordship, in page number, I have marked the page number. In page number 10, the judgment starts from page number 9, but in page number 10,
line number 70.
Madam, you are Sharma.
Yes, yes, Lord.
Madam Sharma, see, this is a judgment of a single bench of a different high court, which would at best have persuasive value. It's not, will not have binding effect. You can make your submissions on this. You formulate your submission. You need not. You formulate a submission. You can take help of the judgment without even citing the judgment. What are your submission?
My fact that my fundamental rights have been infringed. The fundamental right of Surjamala as well as fundamental right of the petitioner here. Her
Which fundamental right?
Article 21, Your Lordship, her right to life was snatched away, Your Lordship. She was
But,
killed in
20
custody.
21 applies to whom?
Your Lordship, for
Constitution
that,
of India.
it is another.
No,
I-
you formulate your arguments. 21 applies to whom?
Your Lordship, in this, Honorable Supreme Court has laid down that every species has a right to life and security, subject to the law of land, which includes depriving of its life out of human necessity. Article 21 of the Constitution, while safeguarding the rights of human, protects the life of life, and the word life has been given an expanded definition, and any disturbance from the basic environment, which includes all form of life, including animal, which are necessary for human life, fall within the meaning of Article 21. Your
This is
Lordship.
the judgment of which court?
This is Honorable Supreme Court. Your Lordship.
Which one? Please cite it.
Animal Welfare Board of India versus Nagarajan.
What is the citation?
Citation is 2014 7 SCC 595.
595. You say an expanded meaning has been given to the
Animal.
the expression life
Yes, sir.
appearing in 21. Otherwise, what does 21 say?
Right to life. Your Lordship.
Please have the Constitution. Do you have the Constitution? Not prepared. Okay, take the Constitution. And this. It'll be available in the mobile. এখন দিন এখন দিন Yes, Mr. Vartakur, have a look here. Both of you read what is 21. Madam, have a look at the book. Read it.
Your Lordship, it says protection of life and personal liberty.
Heading is not the law. Read the substance. No.
No person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the law. Your Lordship, several judgments, and our Honorable Supreme Court has expanded the definition of Article 21, right to life and right to life to animal has been highlighted in several judgments, Your Lordship. Animals which are under the mercy of humans, their right should not be taken away by the humans, Your Lordship. And this judgment of animal.
No, that is one aspect.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I would like to point out.
No, we'll come to you. That is one aspect. The other aspect is the compensation, assessment of the compensation. How do you do that?
Your
What is the value of the animal?
Yes, Your
Will the court be in a position to assess the damage, even if we admit that the animal, the elephant had died because of their negligence? First, you have to prove their negligence. That is a very onerous burden upon you. How do you prove their negligence?
Your Lordship.
That it was not a natural death.
Your Lordship, my elephant died in their custody after the release order was issued by their superiors, Your Lordship. They captured my elephant in 2019. In 2020, inquiry was held. In that inquiry, Your Lordship, my right over my ownership over the elephant was not challenged. Yet they kept the elephant for another 5 years, Your Lordship, with no reason explained to us, Your Lordship. Elephant died on 17th of November 2024. We were not informed, Your Lordship. We got to know from the other people. When we went there, the elephant was already buried. We showed them the release order. They had the release order. We had gone to them with the release order before the
No,
elephant
these
had
are
died.
in the realm of unliquidated damage. How do you quantify?
Your Lordship,
Question is that.
At this stage, let them file the reply. Let us know what was the cause of elephant's
Madam,
death.
even if we assume that we agree with you that the elephant has died because of their negligence, what would be the amount? The assessment, it is unliquidified.
Your Lordship, the cost of elephant, normally an
How
adult
much?
elephant is, when we look into the.
How do you know?
that
You have to adduce evidence.
you'll-
You may have a good case, but you have to adduce evidence that this the cost of an elephant is 1 crore, 2 crore. You have to give evidence.
Yes,
They have to be given a chance to rebut, to cross-examine. How do you, what data have you given? What is the cost of an elephant? Have you
Yeah,
said anything?
well, we have given 70 lakhs to 90 lakhs
On the basis of what?
market value, Your Lordship.
From where have you assessed the market value?
Online sources, Your Lordship.
Where?
Internet.
No, where is it? Where is the substance in the petition?
I'll take you there, Your Lordship.
So those have to be proved in accordance with law, given them a chance. First, you have to overcome the burden that the death was because of their negligence or the custody was illegal. Then the aspect of deaths, then the compensation part. Perhaps this should not be the proper forum.
Your Lordship, when the elephant died, we approached the appropriate authority with multiple letters, Your Lordship. We have approached every authority that comes under the Forest Department, Your Lordship.
You have approached every authority, you have not approached the civil court.
Your Lordship, in this judgment which I have handed over to you, Lordship, there they say when the fundamental rights are infringed, civil courts an alternative remedy, Your Lordship. We can come to this court for compensation, Your Lordship.
Now, how do you assess the compensation? Tell us.
In page number 10, Your Lordship.
Now, how do you assess the compensation? You tell us.
Your Lordship, my right to livelihood has been snatched. Whatever earning I was making at that time with the help of the
How do you prove it?
that, Your Lordship, in due course of time, we can file additional.
How do you prove by pleading? You cannot prove by pleadings. Pleadings supported by an affidavit, that will not be enough in a matter of this nature. These are unliquidated damage. It is not a quantified damage. Suppose a person dies of electrocution.
Yes.
They have a quantification that 2 lakh, 5 lakh. Okay. Now here you will make an assessment which you will not agree upon. Then how do you come to a proper assessment? Do we have the expertise? We do not have the expertise.
Exemplary award is always appreciated by the Honorable Court to uphold the justice in the.
Exemplary we can give, but that is not compensation. And to have exemplary, you have to make an exceptional case, that gross negligence.
Yes, Your Lord. Your Lordship, they have not given us the reason why was the elephant not given back to me even after the release order was issued by the Superior. Release order was issued on 20th of November. An elephant died on 17th of December. So 27 days, what were they doing with our elephant, Your Lordship? When we went there to examine.
Yes, Mr. Pothakur.
So a lot of factual contentions are there, madam. In order to rebut all those things.
Madam, will be today we may issue notice, but ultimately you may not get anything.
Your Lordship, till date, no postmortem report is given to us. We don't have the death certificate. We don't know the reason of the death of my elephant, Your Lordship. My livelihood has been snatched. An elephant has died in their custody. They have to give some reply to this, Your Lordship.
What kind of business did you do with the elephant? Is it permissible?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What kind of business?
Normally in the hills of Arunachal Pradesh, it used to carry logs.
Logs.
Under permissible weight, Your Lordship.
Where is the decision 14.7 SCC 595? Have you got that? Is it a part of that order?
Yes, sir. It's just a.
Madam, this was in a different context, Jalikatu.
Yes, Lord. There also the cruelty was done.
No, that's a different thing.
Lordship,
It was on a different, entirely different context.
like
Cruelty to animals, Jalikatu. May not help you.
my elephant has died in the custody, Your Lordship. They kept my elephant for.
It was not for a race or some cruelty. They died in the. But first they have to prove it.
All these years, I was not even allowed to
May
move.
not have a case, madam. Heard Ms. S. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. So it's the first paragraph, ladies. Yeah? When this matter was taken up on the last occasion, that is 14/7/2025, Sri I. Borthakur, the learned standing counsel, Forest Department, had raised a preliminary objection on the maintainability of the writ petition as the subject matter involves disputed questions of fact. Para. Ms. Sharma, the learned counsel, for the petitioner by relying upon the decision of so-and-so reported in 2014, 7 SCC 595, has submitted that the expression life, inverted comma, appearing in Article 21 has been given an expanded meaning. Full stop, para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Sri Union of India. Anyone, Union of India? Union of India. Who was there in the court? Anyone, CGC? Now we record the name, whoever is there. Who was there in the court? Mr. Das? A Gayan is there, A Gayan.
SS Roy, the council SS Roy.
Is he there in the court today?
Yes.
3 SS Roy, CGC 1, Chief Secretary. State of Assam represented by the Chief Secretary, Department of Environmental Forest. What is this, madam?
We had written a letter.
How is the Chief Secretary? There's a different department and Forest Department. Why do you bring in the Chief Secretary? Two, Mr. I. Borthakur, 3 I. Borthakur, 4 I. Borthakur.
One more, some incumbents have been,
Name
party by
parties by
name.
name. Those you have not seen. 6. 6.
11 and
6, 9 also. 9,
9,
6, 9, 11,
14.
14. I bought about 17 and thus extra copies. Baki sab dekh lijiye. Registered post with AD. Why have you made these persons parties? Otherwise, will go for a civil court. Why not make them parties like this? And you have made persons who have retired in a writ proceeding. You have to fight civil suit, rest, registered post with AD. Steps within 2 working days. Okay. Okay. We take steps. Kitabkhon guide le. Also, kitabkhon guide se na. Constitution. 33, yes.
My lord, my contention is that my vehicle has been stopped with the consignment at the border, my lord, and they are not issuing any proceeding much. My learned friend has surprised me that the notice has
You have
been.
got instruction, Mr. Chaudhary?
Yes, my God. The proceeding has been initiated, copies have been served.
What consignment?
Ereka nuts, my lord.
Ereka.
Now, my lord, it has, now my friend has informed it has been served to the driver, my lord. Since we are the owner, let a copy be furnished to us, we can take steps in the matter, and it may be disposed of directing them to start the copy of this order and everything, my lord, to us.
You have a copy of the order?
Yes, my God.
Then you can give it to him. We can close it.
That can be done.
My lord, and then I can challenge it, my lord.
Heard Sri Mishra, R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, Finance Taxation Department. Para. The grievance of the petitioner is with the retention or seizure? Retention of the consignment of Ereka nuts, which was dispatched from the state of from the state of Uttar Pradesh.
It was sent from Maharashtra, my lord. It was
Dispatched from the state of Uttar Pradesh.
Maharashtra, my
Maharashtra.
Nagpur, my lord. Yes, Nagpur.
Why is it written Uttar
Then it
Pradesh?
was my interceptor in Uttar Pradesh, and we made all the penalties in Uttar Pradesh. Then Consignment reached Assam.
Okay.
Assam, they can return my.
Okay. From dispatch from Maharashtra. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the goods were intercepted in the state of Uttar Pradesh,
Well.
pursuant to which the levy and penalties were paid by the petitioner. And even after that, the goods have been retained in the state of Assam. Para. When this matter was taken up for consideration on 10/7/2025, Sri B. Chaudhary, the learned standing counsel, was directed to obtain instructions. Full stop. Sri Chaudhary, the learned standing counsel, has submitted that as per instructions, the said retention has been done as per an order dated.
Lordship, stage by stage, notices are issued, all have been issued.
Has been done by following the due process of law and by issuing notice at all stages. Full stop. It, however, appears that the notices were issued to the driver of the vehicle. Full stop. Para. At this stage, Sri Mishra, the learned counsel, submits that copies of the notices be served upon the owner, whereafter the appropriate steps can be taken. Para. To upon consideration of the aforesaid prayer and to shorten the litigation, this court directs that the copies of the notices and any orders passed, if any, be served upon Sri Mishra, the learned counsel, so that the petitioner, if aggrieved, can take recourse to the appropriate forum of law. Para. Sri Chaudhary, the learned standing counsel, has undertaken to furnish copies of all such notices / orders to Sri Mishra, the learned counsel, during the course of the day?
Yes, ma'am.
During the course of the day. Para. With the aforesaid observation, this writ petition is disposed of.
Deeply obliged.
Anybody want?
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, please.
My lord, this petition is concerned with the payment of the Jirat amount for acquisition of the land along with my petrol pump located at remote Dibrugarh section. Firstly, Jirat amount of was estimated.
This notice was issued in 19, thereafter matter has not come. Why?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, affidavit has been already filed, my lord. With regard to Jiras, my lord, they are saying that it's a less compensation, not the educated amount. A reference would be appropriate.
Reference?
Yes, my lord, your lordship may kindly peruse Annex 5 at page 25.
25.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, please.
This is a reassessed and re-verification estimated amount. It was total amount was 40,77,000. So it was issued by the competent authority to the National Highway Authority for necessary action of placement of funds. But the state amount has not yet been received by the. So this is therefore I have approached this honorable.
Mr. Das's grievance appears to be something else.
No, my lord.
He
Para
says that
9,
this 40 lakhs amount has not been paid to him.
My lord, para 9, my.
No, if you have come up with the instructions that this amount has been paid, matter ends there.
No, my lord, that has re-verification has been done in absence of the land revenue staff. It is done by the them. If
No,
your lordship come to para 9 of our affidavit,
Okay.
that with regard to
Now, what is your, Mr. Kakoti, what is your prayer in this petition?
My humble prayer before this
Let
honorable
us see
court,
your prayer portion.
prayer person, your lordship may tell you that
Come to page 13.
I am reading, my lord.
But if you're, if the Jirat, no, we have read your prayer. If the Jirat amount was not taken into consideration, you could have made an application for reference.
My lord, this process of re-verification and re-estimated amount was duly submitted by the competent authority. Before the competent authority for payment, it was duly done, but it was their, they have to take
No, but
follow-up action.
how does the writ code go into all those facts? These are disputed questions of fact. You may claim a higher amount, they may say that it's not entitled. You have to prove your claim, and you can prove only in a reference court.
by taking proper evidence.
Reference court is akin to a civil court, everything, all evidence, cross-examination. This is under the earlier act. 1893 or 1964?
1993, my lord.
Huh? 93? 1893.
Yes, my lord.
Acquisition under which act? Assam Act or what?
Let me verify, my lord.
Let this come up for admission hearing. We'll try to dispose this off, but you may not have a proper remedy here. Yes, Mr. Dr. Gogoi, you're for whom? What is your say? What do you say? Oh. It has been disbursed. How much amount have you paid ultimately to the petitioner? Your remedy lies in a reference, Mr. Kakoti. Your remedy lies in this amount may not be adequate. We are not saying that the amount is adequate. You may have grievance with the adequacy of the amount. It may not be sufficient in your estimate. In that case, you need to approach the reference court by filing an application to the collector. How does the writ court, how we do not have the expertise.
It's a little bit.
You might require to adduce evidence. You take instructions. We'll have this unnecessary spending since 2019. We are in 2025. Even before for making a reference, it is long expired. It's a time-bound scheme.
My lord.
We will have for admission hearing after 2 weeks.
My lord.
Okay.
In the meantime, my lord, I beg to pray that I may be allowed to file my reply to the
This
affidavit.
rejoinder was filed when? The affidavit was filed when? Long time back. When was it filed? It was filed in 21.
Yes,
You have not filed affidavit in opposition. Reply.
I have failed to file my petition in time.
File it.
But
Okay.
I beg to pray that Lord may allow.
Heard. 3. D.K. Kakoti, Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
In maybe Kotoke, my lord.
Kotoki, D.K. Kotoki, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. As well as, for full stop, also heard 3. Andas, Learned State Counsel, as well as Dr. B.N. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, NHIDCL. Para. The state respondents have filed affidavit in opposition in the year 2021 itself. Para. List for admission hearing after 2 weeks. Full stop. Rejoinder affidavit, if any, may be filed in the meantime.
Right.
Item 12.
The lands were acquired in 78, 79, and compensation were paid at the time. The affidavit of respondent 4 is also there.
My lord, total land was 12 biga katham. And out of which, my lord, only 12 lakh, 18,000 completed. And that was taken way back of 1980 to 83 by the forefathers of the petition. And my lord, thereafter, my lord, the petitioner, being a now former landless person, they made an application for the deputy to assess the land. And
What, how do you explain the delay?
so the delay,
When was the land acquired, Mr. Sawala?
My lord, the case number is 78, 79, and totally, my lord, compensation was paid 82, my lord.
82.
82.
From 82 to 2019, what were we doing?
sometimes they make some applications before the deputy. But
Can you come to the Red Court at any time you want?
some applications are yet to be decided. They're pending before the deputy.
The fence is there,
And
my lord.
last week, my lord, some of the
You
original.
have not taken
particulars-
the proper course of action. First, there is no explanation. It is a gross, inordinate delay.
Now, at present, my lord, they are, my lord, taking some land from the legal years of the original particular, my lord, without, my lord, marketing, without giving notice.
Those will be different as per causes of action. The acquisition proceeding was for a particular plot of land. Payment was made in 82. Now, if you say that apart from the lands which were part of that proceeding, some other lands are sought to be acquired from you, you'd be entitled to compensation. That's a new fresh cause of action.
At the present status of the case, my lord, status of the land, my lord, they made an application, my lord. My lord, I have case 103. This is the application, my lord, made by the present petitioner.
You cannot invoke rich jurisdiction like this after 1982 payment coming to the court in 2019. Where is the question of equity? Where is your due diligence? How do you explain? 1982 payments made.
Lord, payment was made at that time, but thereafter.
And if you are aggrieved by the adequacy of the
At
payment,
present,
you institute a reference. You have not done that.
They are occupying more land. That is why they can.
More lands?
More land.
What is your relief?
Relief, my lord.
To pay fair compensation.
They are, my
You're
lord,
only praying for fair compensation.
prayer at it is, my lord, the prayer, my lord. Assess the land, my lord. Assessment has been made with regards to the land.
Where is your averment that apart from the land in question of the LA proceedings, some other lands have also been taken away by the ONGC? Where is the averment?
My writ petition, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, there are 3, my lord.
There are 3.
Yes, my lord.
Page?
My lord, page, my lord, 7.
Yes, please.
My lord, the
It is only on the aspect of assessment.
My lord, 8 lines, my lord. The state land was his residential as well as agricultural land.
Yes.
The authority concerned neither properly assessed the land and Sirat nor agreed to pay the compensation.
That is not what we are asking. If that is your case, you don't have any case. For improper assessment, you have a remedy in the form of raising a reference within a specified time. This is acquisition under which act? 1893 Act?
1894.
1894 Act. So Section 18 was there. You did not take recourse to
It
that.
was only, my lord, from the date of receipt of the compensation within 42 days.
Yes.
6 weeks.
Yes. Now you come in the court after how many years?
How many years with the new cause of action?
Hmm?
With the new cause of action.
What is the new cause of action?
My lord, they are, my lord, occupying more land.
Where is the averment?
That
Show
is
us
my
the
lord,
averment.
yes, my lord, let it come after you. I will some, I will apply some averment.
Show us the averment. We are taking up your petition today.
Let it come after you.
21 paragraphs, any of the paragraphs saying that apart from the subject matter of the LA proceedings, some more lands have been acquired or taken away where compensation has not been paid. Heard Sri S.A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Sri G.N. Sahalo, learned senior counsel for the ONGC. Full stop. The senior counsel has raised the issue of inordinate delay in filing the writ petition by contending that the LA proceedings were of the year 1978 and the payments itself were done in the year 1982, whereas the writ petition has been instituted in the year 2019. Full stop. Para. At this stage, Sri Ahmed, the learned counsel for the petitioners, pray for some time to obtain instructions. Para. List for admission hearing after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 13.
Implement.
At the request of the learned he's having some personal difficulty.
No, you want implement of what time?
I'm praying for a very short date for
Whom do you want to implement?
Mohammed
For
Adab,
compliance of the.
student.
This is not for implement of what? Huh? Implement who is in it? Madam, you are for whom? GMC. We'll implement this, gentlemen. What is his connection, madam? Where is your brief? Hmm?
I apologize for
You should have the brief, madam.
I bowed.
You could have implemented. You do not even have the brief.
Forget.
A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri K. N. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel for the applicant. Para. List after a week.
Thank you.
Meet the lord. The implement my lord. The incumbent has been transferred. New incumbent in the person of Dr. Umesh Chandra Sanchu as
Contempt
joint
matter. Contempt matter.
contempt.
Where is the notice?
My lord, your lordship will go to page 10, the payer portion. Your lordship will find the name of the
Where is the notice?
note. Just no.
Without notice, how do you implead in a contempt matter?
Yeah, I don't know.
You have to make him aware that there is an order, you need to comply.
Yeah.
Contempt is a quasi-criminal liability without even notice. You serve notice, then you come, we'll have this pending. Heard Sri A.C. Buragoy, Learned Senior Counsel for the applicants who by means of this application has prayed for implement of the new incumbent holding the post of Director of Health Services, full stop. It however appears that the new incumbent has not been served with a notice regarding the order in question, which is required to be complied with. Para, on the prayer made, the matter is adjourned by 6 weeks to enable the petitioner to serve a notice along with the copy of the order in question, so as to give an opportunity for compliance. And a full stop. The aspect of serving of such notice be brought on record by way of an affidavit before the next date. List after 6-6.
15 to 17.
Yes, Mr. Borgohain?
8 please, Lordship. My lord, in pursuant to my lord's order on the last case, my lord, we were appraised about the fact of the termination of this petrol IOCL, my lord, license. So, my lord, they have filed an affidavit, and then, my lord, I was supposed to be instructed. My lord, in between, some important development has taken place. My lord, the parties have met and discussed on these issues, and they are, my lord, moving ahead to amicably.
There was a cancellation. You wanted to, both the private parties wanted to sit and
correct, my lord.
tackle it together.
Yes.
Joint hands.
We wanted now to come together,
Okay.
and my lord, perhaps have to challenge the cancellation order in maybe in the next, my lord.
So what is your instructions
But
today?
today, my lord, I'm just praying for a week's time, my lord. If my learned friend doesn't agree, in the meantime, they had a discussion.
Okay. On the prayer of Sri H. Buragohai, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, the matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable him to seek further instructions.
I'm highly obliged.
Sri P. Nayak for
Private.
and you for IOC.
Aye.
Sri Jahid, Learned Counsel for the IOC, and Sri P. Nayak, Learned Counsel for the respondent number?
He's for 6 and 7, my lord.
For the private respondents
Private
are present.
I'm highly obliged.
Okay, 15 to 17.
18.
May I please, Lordship, today we file additional affidavit. Let this matter by come up with the affidavit.
You have filed?
Yes, sir.
You are for the petitioner. Madam, you are for whom? Who is it?
There are so many small workshop next to the place where the charges.
It's not legally agreeable. Not on.
No, he's filed an affidavit. Copy served upon you.
Not it.
You are filing it today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let him file. What are you filing additional affidavit?
The Lord's last order, it's that was that's in there.
No, he's filing it today.
Right.
Within a week's time was granted. What is your name?
N Islam.
N.
N Islam.
Sri N. Islam Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that an additional affidavit would be filed during the course of the day. Para also heard Sri N. Das, Learned State Counsel, Ms. R. S. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for Respondent number 8, and Madam for PNRD. P. Thapa for PNRD department. You are there. Who are 9 and 10? Private respondent. What is your name? P. Khatoniar for respondent numbers 9 and 10. Para? A list after a week along with the additional affidavit, which is to be filed during the course of the day. You serve copies upon them.
20.
We record Mr. Datta's name or Thapa's name? Okay.
Thank you. I received the communication from the commissioner council. It some more time because they have communicated the matter to the government. That's some.
Yes, Mr. Dole.
Lordship.
Because your affidavit has admitted many things.
Everything.
Mr. Talukdar, the affidavit filed by the,
APTP is by saying that the gold reserve. Therefore, the fund.
okay, on the prayer made by Sri B.J. Talukdar, learned senior counsel appearing for the state, the matter is adjourned by further 2 weeks to enable him to obtain instructions. Sri D. Dole, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present.
Keep to.
21. I think 21. 21, Sharma? Yes.
May it please your lordship, as per the last order, lordship had directed for the petitioner to apply for temporary connection.
Yes.
And he has applied for temporary connection and we have given a temporary connection. Yes. And whereas regard to the permanent connection, my lord, the instruction that I have received is that his house where he's located, it's a hilly area. And as per the recent minutes of the meeting that has happened last year.
You file affidavit then? You
Yes,
file an affidavit? And since you have got temporary connection,
Yes,
let him file the affidavit, okay? Shri P.N. Sharma, SP Sharma, learned standing counsel APDCL, has submitted that pursuant to the earlier order dated 26/20/25, the petitioner had applied for temporary electricity connection, which has been given. Full stop. He has also submitted that instructions have been received on the aspect of the permanent correction applied for. Full stop. Let an affidavit be filed by the respondent corporation for which 4 weeks time is granted.
During the pendency of the writ petition, temporary connection that could not be disconnected.
Why is there is
nothing.
no question?
Value.
The temporary connection given be retained subject to payment of the dues.
Yes.
Item 35, sub-release.
Yes, they filed a reply, affidavit in reply today, Mr. This may come up, Milord, along with the reply any other date. And there was already a direction.
What is the matter, Mr.
Sir,
Das?
basically, this is an eviction of the petitioner is an NGO, Milord, working in the welfare of the animals, stray animals. And we constructed a small one-sally house by the side of the road. Now the private respondent, he approached this honorable court saying that we had encroached upon his road
Okay,
going
let his rejoinder be on record, okay? Sri H.K. Das, learned counsel for the petitioners, has informed that a rejoinder affidavit has been filed today, which however is not tagged with the records. Also heard Sri M. Chetia, learned counsel for the respondent number 5. Full stop. Sri H.K. Sharma. H. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate, is present. Revenue is also there, as well as Ms. G. Hazarika, standing counsel revenue. Para. List next week along with the rejoinder affidavit. When? Wednesday? List next list on Wednesday next. Give the date. Along with the rejoinder.
There is an interim order, Milord.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. What is the interim order? Is there an interim? Yes.
22 and 23.
Review.
Yes, I have gone to the order placed by my friend lordship. Yes, no? It's only in the record, lordship.
Yes.
After going to that order,
You're not pressing this. Okay.
on the basis of that order, close it, and otherwise my prayer is that my lord may pick the main case in a hearing column shortly, lord. That's because the issue was settled by the Honorable Supreme Court recently.
Okay.
In favor of the railways.
Okay. Heard Sri K. Gogoi, learned counsel for the applicant. Also heard Miss M. Sharma, learned counsel for the opposite party. Full stop. On the last occasion, when this matter was taken up for consideration, Ms. Sharma. The learned counsel for the opposite party, in support of her objection to the review, had placed reliance upon the case of so and so, huh? Agor order to lekha ase reported in so and so, your palm development, sir. Para. Sri Gogoi, the learned counsel for the applicant, has submitted that in view of the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court, he would not press the
Okay.
review application.
not press, close it first.
You're not pressing. No, sir, don't sense. After perusal of the pronouncement made by the Honorable Supreme Court, this court is of the opinion that the review, that there may not be any grounds permitting, requiring review of the order in question. The review application is accordingly dismissed. The connected appeal may be listed after 2 weeks. Order to lekhi loba, ha, etu heri to Supreme Court to kiba 19-8 SCC 112 agor order to this namu lekhi. Yes.
We just listed for a long period. We have to file this application for correction, for modification to the interim order. That lordship has been passed on 17/7/2023, directing us to pay deposit 50% of the award.
Yes.
Admittedly, lordship, this is what the government employee who was receiving full salary till date of return. And Supreme Court has already clarified the matter regarding entitlement agreement in case of death case, lordship, and other cases in case of government employee. So they are entitled only to conventional rate 70,000. Law has been settled. To be deposited the amount, that will be not possible to deposit. That is why we
No, this application is for what? Alteration.
alteration.
Which orders?
Dated 17/7/2023. Page 10.
Yeah. Why this payment is not required to be paid?
Supreme Court has already clarified last judgment in 2022 itself that payment in case of a government employee, as per notification issued by the government,
Interest required to file a review.
recalling the order.
No, you have to file a review.
The judgment has not been passed. This is an interim.
Nonetheless, it's an order of the court. You are trying to invoke 152. Can it be reversed or changed by under 152? You filed for a review. Yes, what do you say? You think over. If I think you need to file a review. If there is a Honorable Supreme Court judgment, what is the judgment?
Judgment is Krishna versus.
But that will touch upon the merits of the case.
It can be finally disposed of because Supreme Court has already clarified.
You file a review. We'll try to have the main appeal along with the heard Sri S.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the applicant, who has filed this application under section 152 of the CPC for alteration, modification of the order dated 17/7/2023, passed in so and so. Sailupa. The prayer, however, appears to be one which would require review of the order involved. Para, be that as it may.
Next week.
At this stage, a prayer for some accommodation has been made on behalf of both the parties. Para, placed after a week. You can place on the next occasion.
And this court also passes judgment to the following the judgment of the Supreme Court.
Okay, nice.
Obliged.
As per the office note dated 14/7, service is not complete to respondent number 4,
Not complete.
not complete.
When did you take steps?
For the
The
within time,
notice has been issued. Okay, 17/6, okay. In view of the office note dated 14/7/2025, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable the office to put in a fresh report on service upon the respondent number
4.
4. IF4,
I for regarding the changes of address of respondent number 1,
IF4,
changes of address.
change
respondent
of
number 1.
address,
Kindly allowed to take check of the service.
change of address. What is change of address? Where's steps 1 and 3? Who's 1 and 3? Address of 1 and 3. 1. Commissioner of Prisons persons. What is your name?
R.
R. Doctor. Heard Miss R. Doctor learned counsel for the applicant who by means of this application has prayed for allowing service of notice upon the respondent numbers 1 and 3 in their corrected address. Full stop. The corrected address, the corrected addresses of the respondent numbers 1 and 3 have been mentioned in the petition. After going through the same, comma, the petition is allowed permitting the learned counsel for the petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent numbers 1 and 3 in their corrected address. Full stop. Not dusty in a contempt. Steps be taken by registered post with AD in the corrected address within a period of 2 working days. I stand disposed of.
This is the service complete. Service complete. So I have entered a period for response number 3.
Oh.
Today I have filed my
And what about the affidavit?
affidavit. Today I have filed my wakalat.
Now, what about the affidavit? When
I'll
will you-
file my affidavit.
You'll file. And Mr. Das? Okay.
2 weeks time.
What about the interim order? Continuing. Okay. The private respondent numbers 6 to 11 have entered appearance today. Sri, what is your name?
M. Ahmed.
Sri M. Ahmed, who contends who has informed about filing the wakalatnama
Yes.
today. Full stop. On the prayer of Sri N. Das, Learned State Council, as well as Sri So-and-so Learned Council for Response number 6 to 11, matter is adjourned by 4 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Para? Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
My name may be reflected.
Yes. Name of Sri So-and-so Learned Council be reflected in the cause list. What is your take? Why do you want a cremation ground there?
Lordship, there is no cremation ground.
He said that there is another
There is
cremation.
another, but there is a different village.
What is the distance?
Exactly, Lordship, I cannot.
You take the distance. If it is not far away, why should you have two cremation grounds? Cremation grounds
Even
should be in a
I have-
secluded place. You
I've
should,
gone to the government, Lordship, I have found that some are they are objecting for cremating in the other place. So they thought for this. They are nearby the
cremation
church.
grounds, if it is declared, it takes a different corner, there is a different impact. So if there is already a designated cremation ground, is there an actual need in the public interest to have another cremation ground? Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Item 28.
Yes, additional affidavit you have filed.
Yes, but it has come on record.
Yes.
But they are putting that. Huh?
What is the matter about?
Well, what has happened? I have a coke industry in the state of Arunachal. Now,
চলো করে নাকি তোমার এখন 16 জুলাই দিন হয়ে যাবে
my lord, I have a,
we know about this.
Your lordship may kindly look at page 168. Now, at the moment I want my vehicle, they have given me the Jimma. They have not handed me over the
Have you
key.
been served with this additional affidavit?
So he is for the state of Arunachal.
No, state of some forest
Forest
department. Forest served or not?
My lord, yes, yes, we have served.
Who is for forest was here? Mr. Bothakur? Or Mr. R.R. Gogoi, D. Gogoi, anyone?
But till they come, your lordship may kindly look at page 168.
No, if they have been served with the copy, we'll ask them to have instruction. We can have this on Monday.
Monday, not Monday, I have cleaning in Pal-
Wednesday, Tuesday, wherever.
Wednesday.
Okay. Heard Sri B.D. Court and its senior counsel for the
Wednesday.
petitioner who has submitted that an additional affidavit has been filed, which is also tagged with the records. Has been filed today, which is also tagged with the records. He has prayed for release of the vehicle in question. Correct?
Yes.
Release of the vehicle in question. Para. Let this matter be listed again on Wednesday. Is okay for it?
Yes, yes.
Wednesday next.
We are black. 23rd.
By which time? Necessary instructions are to be obtained by Sri So-and-so Learned Standing Council Forest Department.
Well, state of Arunachal has already given that this industry is in their land.
Okay. Naam to Didim, huh? Sri A. Chandran, Learned Senego Advocate, Arunachal Pradesh is present.
We are blessed.
And has submitted that affidavit. You have filed affidavit?
No.
Is present.
But their document, we have brought it on record.
Okay. Whoever comes, Forest Department will record the name.
Yes, we are blessed.
Have you served copies upon them?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Item 36, appeals.
36. Mr. Mohanta. Botadroba.
Well, notice this was good.
Yes, yes.
Probably report doesn't say so far the service of notice on respondent number 3 and 4. But they are only the formal parties here. Virtually the relief is sought against the state respondent.
No, it was dispatched only on 2/7. We'll wait for some time.
Well, 2/7, but before that, Lordship will see the another note. It
Yes.
was sent on 36. They again sent on 2/7. I don't understand why they had to send it twice.
No. 36 is the note saying that notice returnable on 16/7 was issued. Steps for service of notice upon so-and-so by registered. Now notice has been issued to the so-and-so by, notice has been issued on 3/7.
Actually issued on 3/7.
3/7.
On that day, it is noted.
36 is the notice returnable. That is a court's order which has been reflected.
That is, the court's order has been
Court's
reflected.
order
in
is
this
of 26, reflection on 36, and the notice has been issued on 3/7. Maybe after that, the vacations came in.
3/7.
After 36. It has been. When did you take steps, madam? Huh? 23/6. It has been sent on 3/7. We'll wait for some time.
Well, my difficulty is the time factor.
Now we'll fix a date.
Not date, well, let us wait.
Okay.
And
Notice Hearts Free KK Mahanta London Senate Council for the petitioners. Full stop. In this case, notice was issued on 26/2025 and office note dated 3/7/2025 reflects that notices upon the respond numbers 3 and 4 have been issued by registered post with AD on 2/7/2025. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed after 3 weeks.
well, the penalty they will come nearer, it will be difficult. My commitment before the apex court was until 12th August. The 12th August is the last day.
By
So 1 week.
1 week will not be
10 days.
by 2 weeks. By which time a fresh service report upon fresh report on service upon respond numbers 3 and 4 be given by the office. List on, we give a date. We give a list on 30. 30.
30.
37.
Authority may also reiterate the earlier order, interim order. The authority may consider that meanwhile.
No, that is already there.
They are waiting that for
Pendency shall not be a bar. That's already there.
No, my lord, what is the today's order they are waiting? We just the date is coming. We will be waiting for today's order. That is why I want that lot of indication might give some freedom.
It is reiterated that pendency shall not be a bar for consideration of the representation.
Yes.
Yes, next.
29. My lord, can it be on 29th?
29th.
Yes, 30th I have some.
Okay, 29th. Mr. Chaudhary, which matter?
So like.
One unlisted matter, it's coming, I was told.
We told Mr. Dekar that if you bring him, we'll
Yes,
have it.
yes.
Otherwise, there is no matters.
Yes.
Tomorrow we'll have it. But tomorrow, tomorrow it will be listed, I think. Well, we'll do it tomorrow.
Well,
What was the issue?
Lord, despite order, there is an interim order of this honorable court. My PSO has been withdrawn. The proceedings are pending.
Tomorrow we'll have it.
Yeah. Please. আপনি লিস্ট করাই দিবেন এটা আনলিস্টেড করি আপনি করাই এটা আপনি করাই দিতে বলেই বড়
Thank you.